look at how to keep your ducklings safe from the dangers on the environment. First of all, you create a coop, a little coop for the purpose of keeping the duckling. Then you fill it with sawdust, like ours, and you give them, you have something for feed so that they don't get contaminated, and you have something for water also, a clean water, and always you have to give them clean water so that they will be healthy and grow faster. Now, their mothers might protect them from dangers as they are with them, but you have to keep them safe so that you have all of them. If not, some animals can uh, endanger their lives and you will lose a lot of them. So you make this available for them. You have to uh, get them a good environment so that they can grow faster for you. And when you do that, you will get the results that you want in a few days later. So you have to create that for your duckling, and you will get a good result. Now we have many ducklings from these, and some of them. Now the babies, the little one, you see some few. A week later, they are so big. They have grown, and uh, this is about 2 weeks. Now they are big like this. They are local. They are not exotic ones. So they have grown big, and you have to give them feed that is good, feed for chicks, so that they will grow very fast for you, so that you get profit out of them very quickly. So you have to do your best to give them the good environment, quality feed and water, so that they can grow very fast for you. And around here we have feed for ours. We use kujis for chicks. So I don't know what you can get in your place. Get a chick feed for them so that they can grow faster for you. They can grow feathers faster for you. And this is what we have. So, and they are pallets, and you can feed your ducklings with that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.